Hey, what's up, everybody? So, today I'm gonna give you a vocabulary lesson. It's gonna be a little different. It's not more common words people use in daily conversation. There would be few, but mostly I'm gonna focus on some unique words, which are like being used in some specific situation. And yeah, and some words could be really fantastic or a little bit academic, maybe, but yeah, people use it basically not the normal person, but to describe something unique situation or maybe fantastic situation. So yeah, those are the words I'm gonna teach you. Um, Basically, these words are really unique, and when somebody use it, basically his vocabulary level is high. He's not a normal street guy. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna basically start now. So first word is bemasal. All right, bemasal. So it means kind of unmatched or extraordinary, right? Like let's say somebody did something really good, all right? Let's say somebody from a village who got famous, then he had a lot of money. So what he did, he built a public school for the village, all right? Where everybody, the poor people, can get the education free, right? So in that situation, we can say, ਉਹਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਬੇਮਿਸਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ, all right? ਉਹਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਬੇਮਿਸਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ. It means what he did, that's unmatched, all right? Nobody other person can do it. Maybe some people can do it, but it's not often. It's very rare, all right? It's really great, all right? So that means ਬੇਮਿਸਾਲ, all right? On normal people, normally people are gonna say ਉਹਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੈਂਟ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ, like that. But when somebody use this kind of word, like a bemsal, the person looks a little bit educated, something like that. All right. That's why I'm just trying to teach these kind of words. All right. So the next word is anmol. Anmol means a priceless. All right. Somebody is priceless. We can say, ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦਾ ਅਨਮੋਲ ਹੀਰਾ, ਜਾਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦਾ ਅਨਮੋਲ ਹੀਰਾ. So basically, we are describing here maybe somebody who's really a fantastic. It could be a player, like let's say top-notch player, or maybe any kind of social worker, right? Who makes you proud, who do really good things, something like that. Yeah, it could be a girl or boy, doesn't matter. So we say, ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦਾ ਅਨਮੋਲ ਹੀਰਾ. It means he is a priceless guy or priceless girl for us or for our country, maybe for our village, whatever, right? So basically, anmol means priceless, all right? Hira means kind of diamond, right? Diamond. So to describe this, we say anmol hira. It means a priceless diamond, like nobody can basically match this person, all right? Okay, so another word is kyle. Kyle, all right? These words are very rarely used, honestly, in the conversation, but there's a unique word. Kyle means kind of like impressed, all right? Like some people say, ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਸੰਗੀਤ ਦਾ ਕਾਇਲ ਹਾਂ. ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਸੰਗੀਤ ਦਾ ਕਾਇਲ. It means I'm just impressed by his music, all right? Or I admired by his music, something like that, all right? Okay, so the next word is takdeer, right? Takdeer means kind of fate or destiny, something like that, all right? And I think there's another word, maybe kismet. I think kismet and takdeer, I don't know what is the difference. It looks so similar. If you know Punjabi, or maybe you're a Punjabi person, you know the difference between takdeer and kismet, just let me know. There would be a little difference, I think, but they are, I think, pretty similar, right? Like some people say, like us, let's say if somebody born poor, he live his life poorly. Some people say, ਉਹਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਤਕਦੀਰ ਹੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਸੀ. ਉਹਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਤਕਦੀਰ ਖਰਾਬ ਸੀ. It means he born poor, he died poor. He spent whole his life just at the bottom, right? So that's why people say like his destiny was bad. I don't know, like because he basically born poor, he has no opportunities, stuff like that. So yeah, in these kind of situation, people use this word takdir. All right. Okay, next word is nakhre. Nakhre kind of mean attitude, probably. Um, like when somebody is not satisfied, let's say maybe it's your girlfriend, maybe your friend, maybe your kid, whatever, and they say, I want to go out, and you took them go out, and they said, I want to eat this. You give them that one. Then say, no, it's not good. I want to eat something else. You also give them, basically, they're not satisfied, or whatever you do for them, they always complaining, something like that. It's kind of like a nakari. Sometimes people say, tere ta nakari lot nahi aunde. Tere ta nakari lot nahi aunde. It means kind of like, I can't handle your attitude. Like, you are not satisfied. Whatever you do, but you are not satisfied. All right. This is means nakhare. Next word is surat. Surat basically kind of like your appearance, like your face appearance or face. Some people say Odi surat bahut vadiya. It means his facial structure is so good, right? So I think yeah, surat means kind of your face. Okay, the next word is akauti. Kauti means kind of hypocrite. Hypocrite or hypocrite shit. Hypocrite, yeah. Um, yeah, it's kind of like I think people use it mostly for religious people. Here, I think, yeah, mostly religious people. I think you can also use it for maybe other person. Like when somebody tell you or just make you fool because of the religion, or they tell you religious say that, when like a religion doesn't say that, but you just believe on that because you think that person is more religious, he know much better, and they fool you. Yeah, this kind of stuff. People say akoti. Oh, the akoti sada. Sada means kind of, probably a lot of you guys know. Sada means kind of a person who just live different life than normal people, something like who just devoted to a god or something like that. So when somebody say, oh, Kauti Sada, it means he is hypocrite. He is hypocrite guy, right? You shouldn't believe on that. Okay, so the next word is beparwa. Beparwa means like a carefree. Yeah, beparwa is a kind of used. Yeah, sometimes it could be a negative, but mostly it's being used a positive way. Beparwa, like the person who just doesn't care, right? So like he didn't care, like if his money is going to spend a lot on the party, maybe whatever, he just want to enjoy. Basically, he didn't care about, basically he didn't take life serious. All right, so yeah, that kind of person we call obeverwa. All right, yeah, another thing, it could be a positive and negative. Positive means kind of like he just enjoy, he earned money, he just enjoy it, he's living good life, he don't care about much. So yeah, in this situation, it's positive. But some people, they just become careless, all right? Enjoying, they're like ruining their money, spending a lot of money, then they go into debt. They're also beprava, right? They're also the same people, but they just like, it's just a negative. They, at the end of the day, maybe in the future, it's gonna hurt them, all right? So it could be negative as well, but mostly it's being used as positive. Beprava. Okay, the next word is mehek or khoshubu. It's kind of same. It means kind of the good smell, like the fragrance. I think, yeah, fragrance. Yeah, yeah. When you say smell is so good from somebody, maybe from the food, yeah, whatever, right? You can say ita bahut vadiya khushbu hai, ita bahut vadiya mehek ka, all right? Basically, good smell means mehek or khushbu. Okay, the next word is navekala. Navekala means a unique, right? This is an academic word. I don't think people use it in normal life. Normal life, people say ita vada vakhara, ita adja, ita horiya. There are a lot of words, the street words. But there's also another word for unique, anokha. Anokha or navekala is the same thing. So both are academic words. So it means the something who is so different, right? So who is, which is like so unique. Yeah. And the next word and the last word is rangila. Rangila means something colorful, right? Um, like you could also say like a party बहुत रंगीली सी, alright? ਜਾਂ ਕੱਲ ਦੀ ਰਾਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਰੰਗੀਲੀ ਸੀ. Let's say you celebrate something last night, you can also say rangili si, alright? So yeah, it's kind of colorful, vibrant, something like that, alright? So yeah, these were the words I just want to teach you. There are a couple of words I just um, basically took a note, and these are unique words. Yeah, like if you want to use some kind of little bit high vocabulary words, these are the words, all right? They're not street words, basically. Yeah, I think that's it.